Hello, welcome back. We've got to our new campsite, which is just up around the bend. We're gonna ride the e-bike up there, and we might tour the inside of the bounder, or at least the inside of the bounder today. People's been asking. Let's go. That's pretty dang nice out here, isn't it? Free camping for up to 14 days. There's not even a camp host here. I don't know. Maybe they drive by and check on you. You probably stay about as long as you wanted. You just moved around occasionally and didn't make it look like you were a permanent fixture here. Free camping. Water's free if you know where to get it. Dump, sewage bill, dump station. See Flying J with my Flying J card is $3. As big as that tank is, that'd probably be once a month. So $3 a month in sewage. Got solar, free electricity. If a person were to buckle down and pay their debt off, you didn't have any debt and you lowered your bills down to a cell phone. I guess some angry dogs. Alright, they're not angry. They're just on alert. But if you minimize your bills, cell phone bill, gasoline, food, RV insurance, if you need to add a couple things to that, go ahead, but no thanks to campgrounds. I don't need a spot that I get charged for and charged for the hookups, and that adds up in a month. Learn how to do it free. Free spot. Learn how to use your free utilities. Learn, these are fully self-contained. You learn how to utilize your onboard systems. Maybe modify the electric a little bit. Add a battery or two and add some solar. You're in. It's really that easy. And you can be living out here enjoying places like this on the cheap. It doesn't get no better than that. All right. See, I should have used the new camera. It has a built-in stabilizer. This wouldn't be all bumpy. But my phone was convenient, so this portion of the video will be bumpy. But that's over because we're getting off the bike. This is a pretty popular spot. I'll tell you why in a second. I'll tell you why right now. There's two new cell towers. There's one up there, and there's one over there. I think there's one each. One's Verizon, one's AT&T. I get 5 bars of service here. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna skip the outside tour with one exception here, because people have asked about my solar. I have solar on this rig, and for right now, I have the batteries in the inverter out of the Tioga swapped over to this compartment. And just for an idea, the storage here, you know, this compartment goes way back in there. A lot of the compartments are like that. A couple of them go the whole way through. So yeah, there's lots of what they call basement storage in this Class A. But instead of showing how inefficiently I store things, actually it's not bad, but we're just not going to do all the outside storage compartments, and I'm just not going to show you all my junk I have in there. But it is a 1990 Fleetwood Bounder model 34C. That means it's 34 foot long. I don't know what the C stands for. Maybe cool, huh? Okay. Welcome to the 1990 Fleetwood Bounder 34C. We'll have to allow a few seconds here and there for the camera to adjust, because it's sunny out and it will be look dark in here for a minute. See that? We'll just have to let the camera adjust a little bit when it needs to. Oh, this camera's going to do a pretty good job at that. Okay. Bella says, wait. We're going to show people the inside. Are you serious? Okay. What? I don't know. Not much to say about the front. You know, other than now, I thought it had 43. Now it has 46,000 miles on it. Still very low mileage. I've put 3 on it already. The generator only has 133 hours on it now. And I put one of these things in the cigarette lighter thing, these older rigs. It gives me 2 more, plus USB ports, tells me what my battery level is. And you can also use these to update the other power ports that are meant for TVs in older RVs. These things are pretty cheap on eBay. Look for USB, you know, car chargers, adapters, and a whole variety of different styles of these come up. I keep my tablet up here. I use Google Navigation, or Google Maps for my navigation. And let's move around here. Right here's my my workstation, and oops, I forgot to take the garbage out. And this passenger seat pivots around so that they both face, you know, like that one does. Angles around. What's nice about that, and that's one thing I liked about the Tioga, was let me turn around here. And so I got company. So often me and my cousin would come in here and sit at the table and hang out, have snacks, and watch TV. Now, that's where the TV went in the Tioga. And I need to get longer screws because I want to mount it up there. I think that's a 26 or 28 inch. It's not a smart TV. 32 inch smart TV is going to replace that one up there. I just need to get the longer screws. You know, these were a couple last minute projects I was trying to get done before I showed it, but anyway, full couch, and of course it folds out, so should sleep to there, and it has a folded, of course dinettes fold down to sleep to. Let me back up here. Okay, this is down the driver's side. Nice large windows with day shades, day-night shades. They do a pretty good job. And okay, back here to my workstation. In the kitchen, yes, there's a few dirty dishes in there. And a full 4-burner stove and oven. And there's Bella's food and water bowl. And I don't know what this is. Complete meal oven. I don't know if it's just a microwave or more. But yeah, let's see. You know, plates, cups, coffee supplies, typical under the sink things, and utensils and such. You might notice that refrigerator sticking out weird, because my new refrigerator didn't exactly quite fit. So I'm gonna get, that's another project. I need to get some. Mine was just bigger, and it's a major operation to drop it down to go back in any further, so I'm just gonna trim it out there. And probably if you didn't know it was done, you probably won't even notice it. Plenty of overhead storage over here. And there's overhead storage in the front, overhead storage above my workstation. It has a front air conditioner. It also has a rear air conditioner. This is another pantry door. Okay, I'll show you some of my snacks a little bit. Not too much. Now it has a full bath and shower. And, you know, it's still in real nice condition. It was well kept. And yeah, it has a split bathroom and plenty of counter space. And under the sink storage, nice big mirror. Storage up there. And what I like about this bedroom is a lot of RVs have the like his and hers wardrobes to the left and right. I like that they're not there. It just makes this room seem so much bigger, that it actually has counters or nightstands with drawers, with three drawers in each, and 3 overhead storage. So I think that makes this room just seem so much bigger. Now they moved the, let me go in here and turn around. They moved the wardrobe, his and hers wardrobes, to this corner and this corner. What else is in here? Oh, and the other TV back here, which I also want to replace with another 24-inch smart TV. This is a pretty recent TV, but it's a dumb TV. I want a smart TV. And there's just a mess of cords in here that I don't even know why. That needs cleaned out and tidied up. One smart TV, you know, should be 2 cords, a power cord and a cable, or for the antenna cord. I don't know why all the wires are in there, but I'm gonna get that tidied up. Did I show everything? And it has a nice fan that blows either in or out, 3-speed. Another roof vent. Anything else I need to show? Better ask now. Oh, yeah, I have my cheap little Christmas tree. That's just a fiber optic, you know, $14.99 tree. Doesn't look like much sitting there, but you know, at night when it's turned on, it's nice. Storage. Oh, I know we forgot to show. In case you didn't notice, I know what I forgot to show, just in case you didn't notice. Okay. Oh yeah, and with 2 comforters and a sleeping bag and a whole array of pillows. You know, it's quite comfortable back here. And There's Bella's stuff. Her bone and a golf ball and a tug rope and a tennis ball and her hot dog and her little white, that was actually in a kid's meal for McDonald's, and a raccoon looking thing and a squirrel looking thing. So, and she loves playing with that stuff. I'm surprised she didn't come back here. I know how I get her back here. Oh, I can't believe. Usually when I plop on the bed, she comes running. Better come! Come on, girl! Dun, 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 dun. Here she comes. Hello. She's like, what are you doing back here? Well, you ain't messing with my toys, are you? You better leave them alone. You're not back here messing with my toys, are you? Huh? Like this one? Here, like this one? You ain't messing with those things, are you? Huh? For this one? Was you messing with my squirrel? You better not be messing with my stuff. Huh? You guys better not be back here messing with my stuff. That's my stuff. Huh? No? Don't be messing with my stuff. Alright, we'll get out of here. We'll leave your stuff alone. That's it. That's the inside of the bounder. What else? Another video. I don't know. Can't think of why I'd need to show any of the outside storage. I carry spare propane. I carry 2 spare 20 propane over on the side. So I can be going out a while and I won't run out of heat for some time. I think it has an onboard 100-pound propane tank. So there's plenty there for cooking, the refrigerator, the hot water tank. 100 pounds for the last. I should have wrote down on the calendar when I filled that. Oh yeah, I remember when, a couple of videos ago. 100-gallon freshwater tank. That's good for a lot of showers, and a lot of dishes, and other stuff. What else? I don't know. Do you know anything else? Ask down in the comments. I've been trying to keep up with the comments better. I think I have been. I think we're done here. People wanted a tour of the RV, but yeah, it's like when you first move into a place, it takes a while to get things put away and tidied up before you're ready to show anybody. A few people were like, "Huh, all that messing around and we didn't even get a tour." Well, no, you didn't. So I was ready. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Welcome all you new subscribers. And we'll be back soon. So till then, take care.